Ancient civilizations, such as the Egyptians and the Hindus, venerated the pineal gland, which they considered the seat of the spiritual awakening. And in Native American cultures like Hopi, practiced meditation techniques to activate this inner eye and explore higher realms of consciousness. The concept of the third eye, often depicted as an inner eye that imparts wisdom and insight beyond our ordinary sight, has deep-rooted history in many various mystical traditions. Even the Bible itself contains references to the third eye, albeit veiled in allegory. Let's say in Matthew 6:22, it is written, "The light of the body is the eye. If therefore thine eye be single, thy whole body shall be full of light." So, this cryptic verse has been interpreted by mystics as an allusion to the third eye and its ability to illuminate the soul. Welcome to the channel. My name is Dre. I'm a meditation coach. I have a free gift for you for stopping by, for taking the time to really be determined about your growth. I have a free guided meditation. It's right there in the description. I'll pin it to the comments. Take it, use it. Drop a comment. Tell me what you think. Thanks for stopping by. Now, our pineal gland, a minuscule but remarkable organ, it's nestled deep within our brain, has long captivated the imagination of both mystics and scientists. So scientifically, this pea-sized gland is associated with production of melatonin, which, it regulates our sleep cycles. Yet esoterically, it is often considered the physical representation of the third eye. So some of my favorites, Dr. Joe Dispenza and Dr. Bruce Lipton, luminaries in the realm of neuroscience, have paved the way for bridging the gap between spirituality and science. See, they delve into the intricate workings of the brain and illuminate the profound relationship between our consciousness and our physical bodies. As our consciousness expands, so does the activation of the third eye. This awakening is a, multifaceted experience. Physiologically, it can be felt as pressure and pulsations in the forehead region. This sensation signifies, the awakening. It is the awakening of the pineal gland as energies surge upwards from the heart center, fusing ancient spiritual understanding with modern scientific insight. Historical examples of mystics who describe such physiological experiences include Saint Teresa, a 16th century Spanish mystic. In her writings, she detailed the sensation of a spiritual arrow piercing her heart and transcending her entire being. Very powerful. The awakening of the third eye brings a profound change in perception. It's like a veil lifting. We begin to perceive the energy that constantly envelops us. So at first, this may manifest as a, glistening or shimmering effect in our surroundings. As noted in various mystical accounts, auras, beings, and esoteric phenomena may also come into our focus for some, but for most, it begins with a simple awareness of energy, a subtle shimmering in the fabric of reality. The dream realm, a portal to the subconscious. Another pivotal sign of the third eye awakening is the vividness of dreams. So the dream realm, one hazy and distant, becomes an active part of our existence. Colors become more vibrant, more alive. We engage in lucid dreaming. See, this is bridging the chasm between our consciousness and subconscious worlds. The heightened dream state reflects an elevation in our vibrational frequency. This allows us to access deeper aspects of our being. Now, historically, mystics such as Carl Jung, if you'll call him a mystic, the renowned Swiss psychiatrist, described dreams as portals in the subconscious. He suggested that dreams are a gateway to self-discovery, where the quote-unquote shadow self can be explored and integrated, aligning with the concept of awakening and self-realization. If you're interested in diving deep into really uncovering your subconscious and finding that inner sanctuary, I have a free guided meditation right there in the description. I'll pin it to the comments. Grab it, it's free. This will completely open your eyes to a whole new world that you may have never, ever uncovered. Through meditation, this is how we can begin to integrate the shadow self through shadow work. These practices are a lot of what I coach. In my experience, shadow work has greatly helped me improve my life in so many ways. Heal childhood trauma, heal ancestral trauma, actually be able to move on in a much better way. See, once we learn the tool of meditation, we can begin to delve into these different practices. Each one of our chakras holds great significance, and it's important to be able to hold a center, and then from this centered, neutral state, we can then focus on what we need to accomplish. Now back to the third eye. Awakening morality. This is the path to oneness. As our third eye awakens, our moral compass is recalibrated. Morality, from an esoteric perspective, see, it's not a rigid set of rules imposed externally, but a discernment that arises from our higher faculties. It is a capacity to make ethical, sound choices, avoiding the coercion of others. Morality holds a central place in spiritual traditions and philosophical teachings. For example, in the Bible, I believe it's in the book of Proverbs 3:21 to 22 advises, now in quote, "My son, do not let wisdom and understanding out of your sight. Preserve sound judgment and discretion, and they will be life for you." So as the third eye blossoms, so does our moral compass, a crucial component of our spiritual journey. This transformation, see, it coincides with the balance of the neocortex, which provides a foundation for really unlocking profound states of consciousness. See, my own path to awakening began with an extremely deep curiosity about our existence, fostered, by my experiences growing up in a funeral home. This unusual backdrop, see, it sort of ignited questions about the soul, consciousness, and the true essence of humanity, really. Years later, through dedicated meditation and self-exploration, the answers to these lifelong questions, they unfolded before me. The third eye, once a mystical concept, transformed into a palpable reality. This awakened, revolutionized my perception of life. It put the pieces together for me. And today, I'm committed to helping others experience the same transformation that I've undergone. As a meditation coach, I use my unique journey to inspire and guide individuals along their own paths of awakening. So by tapping into, ancient wisdom, incorporating scientific insights, and sharing my personal experiences, I help seekers navigate the intricate journey of raising consciousness and manifesting our desires. In the awakening of the third eye lies the potential to connect with the universe's boundless wisdom, to understand the interplay between science and spirituality. It bridges the gap between the ancient knowledge of our ancestors and the modern insights of renowned neuroscientists. It is a path of personal transformation and the embodiment, really, of a higher, more awakened self, unlocking the mysteries that lie within the connecting to our collective human heritage, where the spiritual and the scientific merge into a profound tapestry of understanding and evolution, is, in my opinion, the path that all spiritual seekers need to get on and just start walking. Don't forget to grab your free guided meditation before you head out, right there in the description. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you in the next video.